was sitting with my boyfriend, accidentally dropping the earring. How come this earrings fall out? It's annoying when other people see my chest. I have a way for you. Use your boat. Cut this way. Use scissors to cut the line from one end to the other. Throw away the excess. We will attach the buttons to this position. Attach the buttons here. Attach to this area. Attach it to the bra belt and press like this. On the left and on the right as well. Reorganize for neat. It is a long way off. See, he kept leaning on him, looking funny. A friend asked me to go swimming, but I don't have a swimsuit. What do we do with these pants now? Sew the pants like this. I will sew this part. Attach them together and cut off the excess thread. We will cut this part. We continue to put the pieces together. We will cut this part. Make stitches like this from side to side, and be careful not to get the needle in your hand. How do you feel? I will guide one more style. I will use this cloth tied around. Put one end in the groin and tie it up. Continue round to your chest, tie behind your back. We calibrate neatly, and that's it. A few more accessories. It is beautiful, isn't it? She and he kissed. The kiss was intense, but he suddenly noticed that it did not come off in lipstick and stuck to his lips. Use the brush and gently paint the lipstick on your lips and evenly on the top and bottom lips. So you know, enjoy the passionate kiss. Of course you will slowly do this through the mirrors. Then use a thin sheet of paper to cover your lips. Do this carefully so that the lipstick does not come off. Then use a brush to hit the outside of the paper. This will keep the lipstick on your lips. So you know, enjoy the passionate kiss.